Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great and a happy new year to you all. Thanks for returning. Today, family, I want to share with you how I make my vegetable stew without tomatoes. This recipe is mind blowing. You will love it. I don't know if you've ever tried this before, and if you did, how did it go? You will love this recipe, so stick and stay as I take you through the simple steps on how to make your stew without tomatoes. Let's begin. Into my saucepan, I've added olive oil. It's heated, so I'm adding my basil and thyme and white onion. I'm going ahead to add my chili peppers, and then I'll also add my green and yellow bell peppers. I've added one scotch bonnet pepper for heat, and now I'm adding my white cabbage and carrots. That's not all. I'll keep on adding more vegetables. So keep watching, and guys, you will love this recipe. And it's better to even use a big saucepan or pot to contain all the vegetables at the same time. Okay, because mine is not that big enough, that is why I'll keep adding them gradually and bit by bit. Yes, so now I'm adding my cucumber, and then I'll go ahead and add some more. So keep watching if you want to see all the vegetables I'm going to use for this amazing stew. Now let them fry for about 10 minutes until the vegetables or some of the vegetables begin to turn brown or golden brown. Don't let them burn though, okay? We want the flavors released, yeah? That's all. So now I've added beetroot. You can add more, okay? I've just added one and it's fine. So keep frying, and now ooh, the flavor is everywhere. I want the vegetables to break down, hence covering them up. And now I'm back and it's all looking fine. Ooh, the aroma is so beautiful. It's fried nicely. Can you see that? So I'm going to add my natural seasonings, and guys, ooh, you can add any seasonings of your choice, but I'm going to add anise seed and star anise seed. You can use fennel seed, cumin seed, coriander seed, or even bay leaves. Okay, I've also added my ginger and garlic. Now I'll leave it for some time, about 2 minutes, for them to also fry again together with the rest of the vegetables, and then I'll let them cool down and blend them eventually. So now they are all cooled down and it's time to blend them until they are all nice and smooth. So far, family, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Recommend this channel to friends and families, and yes, I'll really appreciate it. Okay, if it's your first time, please subscribe to this channel and you will love my recipes. Yeah, this year let the support be massive, and let's keep going and going higher. All right. Ooh, this is so aromatic. Yeah, so let's blend them as I've said earlier. I'm going to transfer the blended vegetables into my saucepan and begin making our stew. Into the saucepan, I'm adding olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, okay? And I've also added my bay leaf for flavor, and now I'm adding my blended vegetables. Ooh, this is so aromatic. Beautiful. This is so thick and flavorful. I'm scraping the rest of the vegetables from the blender into the saucepan, and ooh, guys, keep on watching till the end and you will love this recipe. This is so thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of water to loosen it up. Boy oh boy, this is aromatic. This recipe was amazing, guys. As I always say, don't just watch the video but give this a try, okay? So now I'm going to cover the stew up for about 20 minutes for it to cook properly. And now I'm back, and look at that. You can see a change and it's gradually getting itself ready to be served. I love the thickness of it. You can go ahead and add a little bit of water to loosen it up if you don't want this thick consistency, okay? So I'm going to add my final seasonings, and my first one is shrimp tablet. And then I'll go ahead and add my nutmeg. I'm going to grate it because I love nutmegs in my stews. You can always use any spices or seasonings of your choice, okay? But these are my personal favorites and I love them so much. I'm adding my pink salmon and I love the flavor it brings to my stews. Yeah, you can use mackerel in tomato sauce or in sunflower oil. You can use sardines or you can even opt this part out. Okay, it's totally optional. Continue stirring to break down the salmon into pieces or leave them in chunks. Okay, all by choice and preference. Sometimes I leave them in chunks and sometimes too I just break them down like this. Okay, so now check the salt content. If it's not okay, add salt to taste and again stir to combine everything beautifully together. So now when the salt and everything is well combined, leave it for it to cook to perfection. Alright, so now whilst it's cooking, let's go ahead and prepare our chicken to fry. Into the saucepan, I've added my chicken and it's well cleaned and washed. Once it's done, I'm going ahead to add my chopped red onion. You can use the white one, it's all fine. I'm also going ahead to add my ginger and garlic chopped nicely. I'm going ahead to add my scotch bonnet pepper for heat. It's optional. And now my chicken seasoning and curry powder and also thymes. Okay, and salt to taste. I'm adding no water at this stage, so let the chicken release its own juice. And yeah, so far so good. The chicken has released some juice and is doing wonders. I love the flavor. The aroma is on point as usual. Stir to combine and let the chicken be well coated and make sure it doesn't burn. I love this aromatics. They are doing so good in my kitchen. I love, I love, I love. Since I'm going to fry the chicken, I don't need to cook it to perfection, so I'm only parboiling it and very soon I'm going to turn off the heat. Ooh, the aroma is so good. Yeah, it's looking so amazing. So I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool down for frying, yeah? So into the frying pan, I've added my olive oil, my thyme, my red onion, and garlic. Now I'm adding my first chicken to the oil and the aroma, guys. This chicken is so flavorful. Beautiful. So keep watching till the end and I'm so sure you love this recipe. It's nicely brown, golden brown. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Now let's take them out of the oil and fry the rest of the chicken. I'm so impressed and I'm sure you have been inspired to try this recipe as soon as possible. Begin this year with this recipe and thank me later. Family, have you liked the video yet? Have you commented on the video yet? Have you shared the video yet for others to see? And have you subscribed to the channel yet if you are new? Please do so to support your girl, okay? Because this will motivate me to bring you more recipes this year, alright? So now we're going ahead to fry the rest of the chicken and very soon we'll be done with our stew. Alright? So if you are new on the channel, please subscribe to join this amazing family by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Okay? Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Follow me as well on Facebook and also follow me on TikTok. Let's TikTok there, okay? And yeah, the chicken is ready. I love the color. It's all golden and so flavorful. I'm going to add them to the stew very soon and it will be done. The stew is so good. But before that, let's add our chicken broth, okay? Because this broth is so amazing. I can't just throw it away. No, 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 not at all. Because if I do that, oh, I'm doing myself harm than good, okay? Because it's going to enhance the flavor and aroma of the stew. So why throw it away? Don't do that. I love it. I love it. Guys, If you didn't know, now you know that you can make your stews, your sauces without tomatoes, and you'll be good. Yes? This stew right here will make you forget about tomato stews forever. I bet you. I've tried it, and I'm not lying to you. You can follow my recipe and bring me the feedback later. Tag me on Instagram, okay, and I'll be happy to see your feedbacks. Yeah, you can also recreate this recipe and make it your own, but without tomatoes. Okay. A big thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thanks for the love and support. I can't thank you enough for holding me down. Oh my goodness, you have made me who I am. I'm happy because you all like what I'm doing, and that motivates me to bring you more. Thank you for the support, the love, and everything. God richly bless you. Family, this is how I serve myself. You will love it. It's simple, quick, and easy, yet so flavorful and mouth watering. Don't just watch the video, but be inspired to try this recipe and thank me later. Okay? Please continue to like and share the videos. That will really help your girl. Okay? Share, share, share. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video till this point. See you all again in my next video. Take care of yourselves and be good. Stay safe. Bye, your kiss.